Hello and welcome to today's session on Sage for Accountants. I'm Eliana, part of Learning Solutions, and I will be taking you through the session today, an overview of Sage for Accountants. Let's make a start by looking at the 4 key takeaways from today's session. Hopefully, by the end of this webinar, you'll be familiar with what is Sage for Accountants, give you a good understanding of its key features, capabilities, and how you can benefit from them through a live demonstration. At the end, I will share some additional information on how we reward your loyalty, the support and training we offer. Sage for Accountants provide a unified workflow for accountants, bookkeepers, and their clients in a single experience. Everything you need for your practice and making tax digital under one roof. A truly connected experience built around the way that you work that unifies and digitizes the tools you use across your practice. This creates a vibrant ecosystem of Sage and partner apps to enable winning and onboarding clients, data automation, bookkeeping, payroll, and compliance solutions, and advisory services. Sage enables you to transform how you win, onboard, and engage with your clients, price competitively, and manage the efficiency and profitability of your practice, create professional proposals in real time, and generate sophisticated engagement letters with the only solution in the market that automates the pricing, proposal, and engagement process. Manage your clients and tasks in one place. Work in harmony with your clients using the client management tool, a single searchable list of all clients grouped by relationship to allow a transparent view of jobs and compliance assignments. Instant access to fully integrated live client data. Easily invite and manage users by setting permissions for secure data access. Self-serve client subscriptions with full control, with the only solution with folder-based hierarchy that allows grouping of connected clients and entities. Get clients to keep digital records. Take control of making tax digital with the only fully integrated workflow from data capture, bookkeeping, payroll, HR, tax, and compliance all in one place. Easily select and set up the tools your client need. The only solution that covers full data automation through to compliance with one fully integrated workflow. We support your advised clients with confidence to drive their success through powerful multidimensional smart reporting tools and easily share and collaborate with clients using easy-to-understand insights. We brought together the technology and expert human advice that you need to combine processes across your practice. Sage for Accountants enables an optimized and efficient client workflow from client proposal all the way to tax advisory. Build and deliver a clear, confident, and profitable plan for making tax digital with a 4-step practice success plan. Don't let scope creep and profit slip with the help of GoProposal. Never miss a deadline or client opportunity with client management. Less paper chasing and manual admin with auto entry and the mobile application. Help your clients grow with confidence using our accounting, payroll, and compliance solutions. And grow the value and offer clients with advisory services with smart reporting and our new acquisition Futurely. And to support this journey, we provide expert learning, human support, and advice when and how you need it. You collect points, earn rewards, and get discounts that grow with you, as well as free subscriptions for your practice. So whether your goal is to grow business, boost productivity, or engage your existing clients, you can accelerate your success with Sage for Accountants. With Sage for Accountants, you get the client management tool from where you can manage all your clients in one place, Sage Accounting Plus, and Sage Payroll free for your practice. You get one simple client list and access to live client data, building compliance to file business, individual, and self-employed tax returns with confidence. You also get tax subscriptions free for your clients. The 4-step practice success plan, which has been designed not as a one-size-fits-all approach, but as a series of logical progressions that provide a framework to develop something specifically for you. You can earn Sage points for your practice each time you purchase a subscription. The more Sage points, the higher the level of discount is available. Receive expert human support for making tax digital and beyond. and gain access to the Members Masterclass. For those of you that have clients using Sage 50 Cloud accounts, you can migrate these clients with ease to Sage Accounting. Process the data conversions in just a few simple steps. You can self-serve or get our dedicated migration team to do the heavy lifting for you. You can view on screen our simple and transparent pricing model. In a nutshell, with Sage for Accountants, you pay per subscription with simple client pricing. Each time you purchase a subscription of Sage Accounting, Sage Payroll, or Sage Compliance for a client, you'll be able to earn Sage points for the practice. The more points you collect, the higher the level of discount is available. The discount you earn will be applied automatically across all your clients and not just new ones added. So Sage for Accountants has it all. Clients can snap and upload documents with auto-populate in Sage Accounting through auto-entry, work with multiple currency bank transactions in Sage Accounting and attach them to invoices without lifting a finger. Set up payroll in 4 simple steps to allow clients to pay their people and prepare for year-end accounts, submit business or personal tax returns, and get built-in MTD compliance. Let's now take a look at the key benefits in a live demonstration. In this demo, we're going to focus on Sage for Accountants on a practice level and the client management tool. We start with how to sign up for Sage for Accountants in 3 steps. Step 1. Sets up your account. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and the statement that represents you best. Then click Continue to practice. Step 2. Enter your practice's name and preferred telephone number. Then enter the number of employees in the practice. Scroll down and enter your address. Specify if it's the same as your billing address and then click Continue to Payment Setup. Step 3. Open and read the terms and conditions. If you're happy, click Accept. Please note Sage does not charge you until you add your first client subscription. Choose between credit, debit card, or direct debit. Based on your payment method, the software presents you with different fields. For demonstration purposes, I will choose credit debit card. Enter all the relevant details and click Continue. You're one step away from accessing Sage for Accountants. On the next window, your email address, first and last name pre-populate. All you need to do is set up and confirm a password for your Sage account. Click Sign Up. Sage prompts you to verify your email address using a code sent to your email address. Enter the code and click Continue. You are now in Sage for Accountants. To help you start, on the left-hand side, you have a product tour. You can click Skip for now, or to learn more, start the tour. The tour walks you through how to add a client, familiarizes you with the client list and the client record, and how to open and manage your subscriptions. If you choose to exit the tour, you can resume at any time. To do this, from the top right, click View Product Tour. With Sage for Accountants, you get the client management application free of charge, along with Accountant Plus and Payroll for 50 employees for your practice. To access the practice subscriptions, from the top left, hover over Client Management. You can launch the product by clicking Accounting or Payroll. A new window opens with the relevant subscription. In the client list, we'll look at how to add a client folder. This enables you to group related clients together and store their key information. To do this, click Add Client. Select the client type. An individual is a person connected to an organization or someone that pays you for services such as self-assessment. An organization can be a company, partnership, sole trader, or other organizations that pay for services. For demonstration purposes, I'll add an organization and name it Coffee House. Then, from the drop-down list, select a classification. In this example, I'll choose Company. This determines the information needed. Everything marked with an asterisk is mandatory. Choose an organization type. I will go ahead and add the company registration number and email address. Further down, I will choose the address type and enter the address in. Finally, scroll down and add the compliance details if needed. Then click Save. We've successfully created our first client record. Let's now add an individual contact. Click Add Individual. Everything with an asterisk is mandatory. The minimum requirement is a first and last name. Choose whether the individual is a client or a contact. A client is someone you do work for, such as self-assessment, and you'll be able to enter their compliance details. Contacts have basic details and you cannot add products to them. In this example, the individual is a contact for the organization. Enter the email address. Further down, I will choose the address type and enter the address in. Then click Save. That takes us to the folder where you can view the organization and the individual contact we created. If you want to change the individual from a contact to a client, click Set Individual as Client. You now have the choice to add products. From the client list, you can view the folder created. To expand and view the clients or contacts related to the organization, click the arrow. To work more efficiently in Sage for Accountants, you can now organize your clients using customizable tags. To do this, from the top left corner, hover over More and click Manage Tags. You can create up to 5 tags and assign a color to them to group and sort clients. You can use this to organize clients by industry, region, or characteristics. When satisfied with the tags and colors, click Save. To use the tags, click the relevant client. In the record, scroll down and click Add a Tag. Select the relevant tag or tags you want to assign and click Save. Another powerful feature is the ability to add comments. You can add and edit comments to update a colleague or leave reminders for yourself. In the relevant record, select Add a Comment. The comments are time and date stamped, making this feature a true collaboration tool. We'll now examine in greater detail the homepage of the client management application, the client list, one home for your clients. In the folder view, you can view the clients organized within their folders. In the list view, you can see an alphabetical list of all clients. Alongside the client's name, you see the client folder they belong to, their financial year-end details if available, their subscriptions, which you can access easily by clicking them, and tags allocated to them. For further actions, click the Actions menu. From here, you can edit basic client details, hide the client from the list, or a quick way to edit tags. It's also possible to search for clients and add filters to narrow down your search. In this example, I want to see all clients that are companies and are also tagged as New Client. You can also filter the client list by product, country, and financial year. After entering the details, click Apply. In the list now, we can only view clients that are companies and with the New Client tag. Using client management, you can add users to the platform, then assign roles and various levels of access. These users might be colleagues who need access to client data seamlessly. To add a user, from the top right corner, hover over the practice name and click Manage Users. In the Manage Users window, you can view all your current users. To add a user, click Add User and enter the email address. Then, from the drop-down lists, choose the businesses and subscriptions the user can access. Finally, assign the right role. To view the permissions of a selected role in more detail, click View Role. If you want the new user to manage the subscriptions for all businesses, further down, select the checkbox and click Add. This sends an invitation to the user's email address. In the Pending tab, you can view pending invitations and resend invitations if needed. Back to the client list. To invite clients that need access to their data and clients you collaborate with, click the relevant client. In their record, scroll down and click Invite Clients. Then enter their email address. From the drop-down lists, choose the product and the right role. Once you're happy, click Send Invitation. This sends an invitation to the user's email address. Let's look at how to manage subscriptions. First, click the client you want to add a subscription to. Scroll down and click Manage Subscriptions. You can now see what subscriptions are available. For demonstration purposes, I will add Accounting Standard, Payroll for 10 employees, and click Update Pricing. I will also add Compliance for Business. As you can see, live promotions apply automatically, so you can never miss out on any offers. Every time you buy a subscription, you can also earn Sage Points. The points are allocated per client and per subscription, which unlock larger savings. To confirm the changes, click Apply Changes. You can launch into each product from here, as well as open and download reports. It's very easy to amend the subscriptions if needed. To do this, click Manage Subscriptions. For example, if you need to add more payroll employees for the client, select Payroll, and then choose the number of employees. Then click Update Pricing. The charges and Sage Points automatically apply. You can also remove a subscription. In this window, to remove a subscription, select the one you want to remove and click Cancel. A prompt appears to confirm you have downloaded the relevant data. Select the checkbox and click Continue. The monthly charges update and the subscription will expire at the end of the month. The Sage Points alters based on the changes. At the bottom right-hand corner, click Apply Changes. Before confirming, you need to supply a reason for removing the subscription. Choose the reason. For GDPR, Sage holds the data for 6 months, and at the end of that period, Sage removes the data. Click I understand, and the changes apply automatically. The cancel subscription is available for a month, and you can still access the license until then. Back in the Manage Subscription, the expiration date appears and the option to reactivate is available for 6 months. To reactivate the license, just click Reactivate. Back in the client list, you can also access any subscription by clicking the relevant one next to each client. To view the points your practice has accumulated so far, from the top right, hover over your practice's name and click Manage Business Account. Click Sage Points from the left-hand side. You're now presented with the total of Sage Points, your current savings, the next available discount, and your Sage Points statement. Let's now look at Sage Membership and what it offers in more detail. To access free learning resources and certifications, from the top right, hover over Profile and select My Profile. Then click Learning and Rewards. To get industry-recognized training and certifications on Sage products, visit Sage University. To complete challenges and win unique prizes, visit Sage Champions. To learn how to set up your own products or start with the help of one of our experts, visit the Onboarding Center. You can also find step-by-step guides on Sage for Accountants by visiting the Help Center. To do this, from the top right, hover over Help and click Help Center. The Help Center opens in a new window. From here, you can browse for the topics you need. Sage membership unlocks award-winning software, expert human advice, and a community dedicated to support your practice. As members of Sage, you have the opportunity to unlock membership for your clients when collaborating through accounting or payroll, so they can belong to a community where they can network, get advice, and grow their skills. Sage membership helps your practice and small businesses flow. One of the key benefits of Sage membership is the Membership Masterclass. The 4-step practice success plan is at the heart of this series of masterclass sessions. It's been designed not as a one-size-fits-all approach, but as a series of logical progressions that provide a framework to develop something specifically for you. Through Sage for Accountants, this gives you access to 4 hours of on-demand CPD-approved masterclasses that help you build your practice success plan. You gain accreditations for each course, and you can use your plan to meet your goals, from winning new clients and engaging existing ones to mastering MTD for ITSA. It recognizes that your firm is unique and your clients cover a spectrum of abilities and attitudes towards their financial administration. It allows you to work collaboratively on your approach, both internally and with the support you may need from us, to make sure that MTD ITSA is something that you're in control of. As you go through the steps of plan and prepare, practice readiness, client readiness, and deliver and succeed, it's important to us for you to feel that we have the expert human advice and support you can count on to ensure you deliver your plan and succeed. You can also tap into talks and articles for the best business advice on everything from managing money to people beyond the software. Access free learning resources and certifications for your practice and your clients, and you can also share knowledge and gain insights through a community of industry peers. That brings us to the end of the webinar. Thank you for investing your time today with Sage.